Hello mga mommies! Habang nagsusort ako ng mga berries, let's have a little chat. Do you think kailangan tech-savvy ka para makapag-start ng online business? Well, I'm definitely not a digital genius or marunong sa computer. When I started, I didn't know how and where to start. Ang dami kong hindi alam, ang dami kong tanong, I didn't know how to do everything. But I was curious, and my willingness to learn new things pushed me to go for it. And I was really looking for something that I can do from home and earn while being with my family. But what helped me really was having a step-by-step training and mentorship. Yes po, hindi ka nag-iisa sa business na ito. We have an amazing community that helps and supports each other. Hindi mo naman kailangang malaman lahat kaagad. You learn as you go. And may support ka along the way. Kaya kung ang technology ang pumipigil sa'yo, don't let it. If I can learn it, you can learn it too. Message me lamang po.